mean is.
Our severe storm is a tornado. The way it is formed is the winds spin in a column of air that extends to the bottom of a thundercloud.
It can happen through North Dakota and Texas, also known as Tornado Alley. 3 facts you should always know is that when a tornado touches the ground, it can destroy everything in its path. The inside of the tornado is called an eye. And the tornado's wind speeds can be as much as 300 miles per hour.
Yeah, that's fast.
Real fast. Our storm is a tornado, and it's an intense windstorm that can violently cause damage by just a rotating column of air.
A tornado is a high-speed windstorm that usually accompanies a thunderstorm.
You can normally find lots of tornadoes in Texas, North and South Dakota, and also known as the tornado alley as in the Great Plains.
A tornado can destroy almost everything in its path. It can also reach a speed of 300 miles per hour. And they usually happen in Texas through North Dakota.
A tornado can be especially destructive and can be 459 feet wide and 9 miles long.
A thunderstorm is a very strong storm with a lot of rain, thunder, and lightning.
It begins to form when warm humid air is pushed high in the atmosphere. The air begins to cool and a cloud forms. The weight of the water vapor becomes too much for air to support electric charges. Electric charges build up in the cloud. The charges become very powerful. It travels through the air as light.
Where you can find a thunderstorm is everywhere. 3 science facts. The air along the path of a lightning bolt is heated to temperatures higher than 28,000 Celsius, which is 50,000 Fahrenheit.
That's very warm. Most thunderstorms are within an hour.
Thunderstorms updrafts can carry moisture to the stratosphere.
Our severe storm is the thunderstorm. Thunder is formed when warm, humid air is pushed into the atmosphere and the cool air makes a cloud. Too much water is in the cloud and water falls. Electric charges build up in the cloud until it starts producing strong electricity. It makes lightning. It can be found, thunderstorms can be found at any part of the world. At least 2,000 thunderstorms appear at any given moment around the world.
Thunderstorms can be very strong with a lot of rain and thunder and lightning. 3 facts about thunderstorms are producing lightning, which often strikes outside of the area where it's raining and is known to fall more than 10 miles away from the rainfall area. Thunderstorms are very dangerous and can't strike in the same place twice. If there is a thunderstorm, you should stay out of the open and go inside somewhere safe. Avoid standing in a field where there is a lot of grass and standing near a big tree. If lightning strikes in those areas, it can easily catch on fire and burn.